Our first big snowstorm of the year is here. Tyeeger's worried about his food and milk. Don't worry, I'll get you some. The store isn't too crowded yet. Good sign. They still have plenty of cat food in stock. He needs some litter too. Let's get some extra snacks since they have them. Oh no, the milk's gone already. Same story here, no milk. Strike 3, no milk anywhere. Time to head home. Tyeeger is very pleased with his food. He's not worried anymore. He says thank you. Stay safe out there and enjoy the snowy days ahead.